guys. Who do we have here?
Haciel View.
Brandon Larson.
Jose Reyes the third.
What are you guys doing today?
Jumping off a plane.
Jumping out of a plane.
Jumping out perfect good airplanes.
Yes,
You
sir.
guys supposed to be crazy.
Yep.
Any occasion?
Bachelor party for this boy.
Bachelor party? Heck yeah.
Taking the plunge before taking the plunge. Right on. All right.
If I can survive this, marriage should be alright.
Uh-huh.
Yo, this is the easy part.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, we're gonna take you up 10,000 feet, 30 hours, get you down on the parachute. You ready for it?
Let's go.
Let's go rock a Skydive, have some fun. High five all the way across. Here we go. Oh yeah. Woo!
High five. There we go.
All right, guys. We found an airplane. You ready for it?
Yeah.
Nervous? Excited? Yeah? A little bit of both? All right. Get up. Get in, get up, and get out of this airplane. Good sky. Do a big right turn. So pull all the way down right. Oh my God. Perfect. Alright, let's go down all the way left. All the way, all the way, all the way. That's all you, dude. Oh my God. Woo. Jumped out of an airplane.
Insane.
How you feeling?
Oh man, I was like, am I having a heart attack, dude? That was great.
Yeah,
There ain't nothing like that.
Nothing like it, huh?
I haven't experienced anything like that. So
Fuck
that
yeah.
was crazy.
What was your favorite part?
As soon as we jumped off,
Yeah.
that feeling,
The initial
you
drop?
were just like, oh.
Yeah.
And then once you kind of start getting used to it, that was.
There's no going back at that point.
Oh no, there was not. No, I think the scariest was probably the ride up there.
Yeah,
Right up
for
there,
sure.
you know.
The anticipation,
Yeah.
the waiting.
Yeah, yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. Would you do it again?
Oh yeah,
Fuck yeah,
definitely,
dude.
man, definitely.
That's what we like here. Thanks for jumping with us, man.
Appreciate it.